In March 1965, heavyweight champion of the world Cassius Clay, later known as Muhammad Ali, visited Jamaica accompanied by his wife Sanjay. A fair-sized crowd of boxing fans and the curious turned up at the Palisades airport to see the heavyweight champion of the world. Prior to his arrival, the 23-year-old boxing champion had been preparing for his second fight with Sonny Liston, the man he defeated for the title. Clay was met at the airport by Lucien Chen, promoter of the upcoming night's fight between Sugar Ray Robinson and Jimmy Beecham. Mr. Tommy Thompson, chairman of the Machado Sports Foundation, was also present at the airport because Machado sponsored that fight. Other boxing officials also turned up at Palisades Airport in Kingston to meet the champion. Sugar Ray Robinson joined others at the airport to meet Clay. The talkative Clay embraced Sugar Ray and declared to the crowd that Sugar Ray was the greatest fighter ever, and all of his boxing was patterned from Sugar Ray's style of boxing. Clay was dressed in a dark blue suit, white shirt, and cream tie. He took the time to woo adoring Jamaican fans by graciously signing numerous autographs. While signing, he held the interest of the crowd. He bragged that he would take the Big Bear, Sonny Liston, in 4 rounds when they met in their return fight later that same month. Clay was taken to the Casa Monte Hotel for rest and relaxation. That night, he was driven to Sabina Park to sit at ringside as second to Sugar Ray, who was regarded at that time as one of the greatest boxers to grace a boxing ring. But despite Clay's adoration and respect for Sugar Ray, Clay never made Jamaicans forget that he was the greatest. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.